Dear worthy friends, this video, still related in the topic we've discussed before about how to understanding subconscious mind. In addition, objects we observe are first rendered in our brains before we fully see them. During that process, the subconscious mind can interfere to let us see things differently. For example, a person who fears snakes can think that a wooden stick is a snake, even for a few seconds, before he realizes it's just a wooden stick. In instances where checking whether the object really exists or not isn't possible, the person might live with an incorrect perception of reality throughout life. Most importantly, the subconscious mind is constantly communicating with the universe based on our programmed inner emotions. It is in an always-on mode with this formless substance, this divinity. It works day and night to make your behavior fit a pattern consistent with your emotionalized thoughts. Based on programming, combined with the universal law of vibration that states we are like a tuning fork consistently sending signals out, people, events, and circumstances are attracted to our lives without our conscious awareness. This is why tragedy often comes from nowhere for some, and conversely others seem to have a perpetual rabbit's foot in their pocket. This connection between the subconscious and the universe rewards us continuously with the very things we transmit out. You attract what you are, not what you want. For this reason, those who have had difficult upbringings or early childhood and preteen trauma should be especially aware of the following processes and work diligently to reprogram their subconscious mind so they can attract those things they now choose to have in their lives. Although these facts may make it seem as though the subconscious mind is working against us, its most basic function is rooted in survival. It will do whatever it takes to ensure our safety, even to the unintentional detriment of creating and recreating negative life circumstances. It will always gravitate to what it knows, not what is best for you, because it likes known quantities. Unknowns are seen as scary to the subconscious mind because it cannot calculate a known outcome with an unknown variable. Because of this, many people tend to repeat thoughts and behaviors. They will stay in the same undesirable relationship, unwanted job, or always go down any familiar path because it is what they know, and their mind understands the end result. Directives based on early survival decisions or genetic influences take up most priority. When someone makes a new decision while trying to overcome or replace a subconscious survival directive, the result can be self-sabotage and failure based on this. Fortunately, we have the conscious gift of free will and choice. However, consciously controlling the subconscious mind is not something that can be done with force or coercion. The act of consciously applying willpower sends signals of struggle to the subconscious mind, therefore creating resistance. In addition, the subconscious mind reads our emotions just as intricately as our thoughts. If these two are congruent, then the subconscious mind accepts the idea or thought as fact. This is true whether regarding something that is positive or negative, the subconscious mind doesn't know the difference. What matters most is that thoughts, mental images, and emotions are all in alignment. This sets the subconscious mind into action to make our ideas happen. The human mind is undoubtedly an underutilized powerhouse and is vastly untapped. An average individual uses less than 10% of his or her mind's ability. Accordingly, you should clearly understand that you can tap the power of your mind for your personal development. Whatever we desire to attract and create must be impressed upon the subjective or subconscious mind with proper methods and consistency. You are designed to do more than just survive. With conscious action and alignment, this mechanism also has the ability to ensure that you thrive. This portion of the mind was originated to be open to your direct influence, and ideally the two minds, conscious and subconscious, are created to work together for your benefit. Your subconscious mind has been waiting for you to take conscious charge of your life on a consistent basis, ever since you've had the cognitive abilities to do so, which for most is between 20 and 25 years of age. Any emotional suffering you may experience in life is generated to prompt pause and reflection and to suggest making inner changes. It is a byproduct of not accepting that you are wired to face that pain, which has the capacity to stretch you out of comfortable places that obstruct evolving. In other words, you are wired with a tendency to resist change until the pain of not changing becomes greater than changing. Your mind seeks to impart its wisdom to you, and pain is one of its messengers. As in any healthy relationship, we each need to learn how to communicate effectively with our inner self in ways that build rapport, foster compassion, understanding, acceptance, and honor, and create the sense of safety required to remain empathically connected to ourselves and life around us. Okay, my worthy friends, always keep the peaceful in your mind and grateful your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you mind, please give us support by hit like and subscribe button, leave a comment, tell us, so our YAW channel can be more developed and sustainable. See you in the next video.